Let me show you what a typical day looks like inside a broken RV service department, because what I'm about to describe happens in dealerships across this industry every single day, and most owners never actually see it, not on their financial statements, not in their performance reports, but the money being lost is very real. Let's start at 8 o'clock in the morning. Technicians arrive, coffee in hand, ready to work, ready to turn wrenches, ready to produce billable hours, but the first repair order isn't ready. Parts hasn't finished pulling components. The technician waits. 10 minutes pass, then 20. That technician is on the clock, but the dealership isn't producing revenue. Now multiply that delay across 5 technicians, or 8 technicians, or 10 technicians. 9:30 in the morning, work finally gets dispatched, but the repair order is incomplete. Missing information, unclear diagnosis. The technician stops again. Another delay, another lost hour. Now the advisor is searching for answers. Parts is trying to locate components, and the technician stands there waiting. 11 o'clock. Dispatch confusion begins. 3 technicians are ready for work, but no one is clearly controlling workflow. Repair orders sit on desks. Phones ring. Customers walk in. The shop floor slows down. 1 technician waits, then another, and another. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Service advisors are overwhelmed. The phone keeps ringing. Customers are asking for updates. Parts is chasing inventory. Technicians are trying to figure out what job they should start next. Momentum inside the shop disappears. 3 o'clock. A technician finishes a job. He looks around. No dispatch. No clear next assignment. Another 30 minutes gone. Another hour lost. Multiply that across an entire service department, across multiple technicians, across an entire year, and the financial impact becomes enormous. This is how service departments lose hundreds of thousands of dollars without ever seeing it clearly on a financial statement. But the most damaging part isn't just the lost revenue, it's the frustration. Technicians want to work, they want to produce, they want to succeed, but when workflow is chaotic, when dispatch is inconsistent, when repair orders are incomplete, and when communication breaks down between advisors, parts, and technicians, the system fails the people inside it. And when the system fails, productivity collapses. But the dealerships that consistently outperform their competitors understand something very important. Technicians succeed when the system around them works, when dispatch is structured, when repair orders are clear, when parts support is strong, when workflow is controlled, and when leadership focuses on operational discipline every single day. When those systems are in place, productivity rises, technicians perform, customers are served faster, and service departments become one of the most powerful profit centers inside the dealership. I'm Mark Boswell, founder of Crossroads of America Consulting, LLC. I work with RV and marine dealerships across the country, helping fixed operations teams strengthen workflow, improve technician productivity, and build service department systems that unlock their full performance. Because when process improves, productivity rises, and profitability follows. If you're part of the RV or marine industry and this message resonates with you, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I'll continue sharing insights about dealership fixed operations and how service departments can operate at their highest level. Crossroads of America Consulting, LLC, where process meets profit.